The next time you're about to eat an avocado, stop and use it in your curls. The benefits obtained from eating an avocado can also benefit your curls when applied. Avocados are full of nutrients such as vitamin E, which help fight free radicals, and omega-3 fatty acids, which help deeply condition the hair. They're basically amazing for curly hair. So the next time you have super dry curls, use avocado in it. You'll love the results. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best avocado hair mask using all natural ingredients. It's a blend of yogurt, avocado, and coconut milk, which make for an amazingly moisturizing hair mask. And when applied to my curls, it felt amazing. So if you want super moisturized, amazing results, then use this avocado hair mask. First, you want to start out with a very ripe avocado and then just cut it in half. Make sure to do this carefully and not to cut your fingers. Using a ripe avocado just makes the whole process of getting out the insides of it way easier because it'll be nice, soft, and mushy in the inside. Alright, so here's what it should be looking like when you finish cutting the avocado in half. Gently scoop out the insides with a spoon and then place it into a separate bowl where we're going to be mixing our deep conditioner. And then just repeat until all of the avocado's insides are in the bowl. To make the same amount of deep conditioner as I did, here's about the amount of avocado that you should have. And now you want to add in full fat coconut milk that's been in the fridge overnight. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons. The coconut milk helps restore the hair's moisture and it also promotes hair growth. Adding in a little bit of that liquidy coconut juice as well. Now you want to add in about 1 tablespoon of agave or honey. This just acts as a humectant, attracting moisture into the curls. Once all those ingredients are in, you just want to go ahead and whisk them until they're a fully smooth, fluffy consistency. I'm whisking my deep conditioner for about maybe 1 to 2 minutes until all the avocado chunks are thoroughly blended. Because trust me guys, you definitely don't want avocado chunks in your hair. Now I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of plain full-fat Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt is amazing for curly hair. It's high in proteins and provides much needed nourishment. Once the Greek yogurt is in, whisk it until it's all fully blended, and you should see it turning a pale green color, similar to what it's turning to in here. And as you can see, the yogurt actually thickened up the mixture as well and provided a lot more deep conditioner. Now here's how it should be looking once you've blended all the ingredients. And now, to make this deep conditioner even better, you're going to want to prepare some flaxseed gel. Add maybe about 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds into a pot and add 1 cup of water to it. Then you want to set it to about a medium heat. And then you want to also add about 1 tablespoon of dried rose petals. This just helps balance your hair's pH. Once all the ingredients are combined, gently stir them all together and then let them come to a boil. Stir it once it comes to a boil, and then the rose petals should have also lost their color as well. And the flaxseed gel should be forming once it has came to a boil. And now you just want to go ahead and strain the gel from the flax seeds and the rose petals and let it cool down in the fridge before adding it to your deep conditioner. Here's how it should look once it cools down. Now you just want to go ahead and add a little bit of it in there at a time. And once you add it in, just go ahead and whisk it. And you can also add a little bit more as you're whisking it as well. This flaxseed gel just provides much needed slip to this deep conditioner, which helps you detangle the curls and have a very moisturized look. Whisk it until it's a smooth and fluffy consistency. I'm whisking it here for about 15 to 30 seconds. Is the finished result of the deep conditioner, and for easy transfer into a jar, I'm just putting it in one of these containers and then I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my jar and my applicator bottle because I do have a lot of deep conditioner. Transferring it into the applicator bottle was a bit harder, but I definitely managed to do it without spilling most of the deep conditioner. Here's what the deep conditioner looks like when it's all inside your applicator bottle. Now to apply this deep conditioner, I'm starting on clean, dry hair, and I'm making sure to section my hair so I could get even distribution of this deep conditioner in here. Now I'm just going to begin applying it to my curls, and I'm just going to start from the top and then smooth it all the way down throughout my hair. And here you can see how it's applying to my curls. My curls are instantly soaking them up, and my hair is actually feeling super moisturized as I'm applying this deep conditioner. I'm making sure that each strand is thoroughly coated with this so that way I can have even distribution of this product. And I'm actually loving how it's feeling in my curls right now. It feels super moisturizing and it smells just like avocados, which is something that I love. And now I'm also making sure to apply it straight to my ends, and once I finish with a section, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up so that way it doesn't intertwine with the sections that I haven't done. And I'm repeating the same process with my other section of hair. I'm just applying it to the top, then my ends, and I'm going to smooth it in throughout the section. Now here is the rest of the application process of this avocado deep conditioner. If you want, you can just go ahead and fast forward a bit and see the finished results. Also, let me know guys, is this a deep conditioner that you would try? So now that it's all applied, I'm going to go ahead and cover my hair with the plastic baggie and then leave it on for about 45 minutes, then rinse it out. Here are my finished rinse results using my DIY avocado deep conditioner. Let me know what you guys think about it. Is this something that you would try? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you tuning into this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.